Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials: power, Ethernet/USB cables, and router status lights. Once done, restart the router, power off for 10 seconds, then power on because many faults clear with a reboot. Next, toggle your laptop's Wi-Fi or use Ethernet to isolate wireless issues. If you see no improvement, release and renew your IP command prompt. ipconfig/release then /renew to force a fresh network lease and eliminate simple addressing conflicts. Now you dive into the device side. Reset the network adapter to clear corrupted settings. This rebuilds interfaces and often fixes stubborn connection drops. Make sure you update or reinstall the Wi-Fi drivers in Device Manager so the hardware communicates correctly with your OS. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to bypass ISP resolver problems. Once set, test a website by name and by IP to determine if DNS was the culprit. Finish by validating connectivity. Ping 8. 8. 8. 8 and a domain like Google. So you can tell whether routing or name resolution fails. If local fixes fail, contact your ISP but avoid a router factory reset until you've backed up settings and tried everything on the laptop. Resets erase custom configs. If you need immediate access, tether your phone or plug in Ethernet. Troubleshooting tip: run the OS network troubleshooter while noting exact error messages. Those clues speed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.